Hey, what's up? Would you like your photos to go from boring like this to looking artistic and cool like this? Alright, today we're going to be talking about something very simple. I'm going to be teaching you how to do a duotone portrait in Photoshop so your photo will look a lot more dramatic and more artistic. So let's do it. The first thing we want to do, as always, today we're working in Photoshop. We want to open Photoshop. As you see, I have this photo. It doesn't look that kind of cool. It looks kind of plain, kind of just regular photo, right? So we're gonna make it look pretty cool. So first thing we're gonna do is Command J to duplicate your layer, and one more time, Command J, duplicate your layer one more time. We're gonna go to the top layer. If you want to rename it, that's fine. You do that. I don't do it because this is pretty simple. This is pretty basic. Right click, and we're gonna go to our blending options. Once this window open, you can see blending options over here. We're gonna go to the first one, and we're gonna turn up our red right here on the channel. What we do is turn up, turn off, turn up, motherfuckers. All right, turn off the red. We're gonna click OK, and then second, what we wanna do is go on the layer on the bottom, the first copy that we make. Right click, blending option again. And now, instead of turning off the red, what we're going to do is, to make it look more dramatic, we're going to turn off the green and we're going to turn off the blue. So once again, click OK. You look at the photo, you say, dude, that still looks the same. This is where the art's come. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go to the layer on top, Command T, and then what we're going to do is we're going to drag it to the side. You can see the difference now, right? But let's make it a little better. What we're gonna do is, to make it a little more dramatic, usually I do this, we're gonna right click and we're gonna go flip horizontal. Once you do that, you can see the photo looking more dynamic, more cool, looking more artistic, more like art. But we don't want the whole photo, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase and make it bigger. So you move it around depending on how you like it, depending on how you think is cool for your photo. What I want to get on this one though is, since this one is red, you can see part of the motorcycle. So we're going to increase it till I could see the front part of the motorcycle. Bring it up. Let's make it a little bigger. Perfect. So we're going to drop it right there where you can see the front of the motorcycle. And you can see how the lines of the fence line up. They give it a touch. They give it like it actually looks great. Like you actually put some work on it. And let's make it perfect. And boom. I'm gonna click OK. And that's how you do a duotone portrait in Photoshop. I hope you like this video. If you did like, leave it in the comment. Like it. If you want a specific tutorial, something that you would like to learn, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment, and then I will see you on the next video.